Talking about Greg with the coolest cat in town.
We know he loves those hotline parties and how those work out. So, let's get to our question. This one is about a piece of equipment, and Rick in Dunmore here says he bought a piece of equipment for his business. The first day it malfunctioned and hurt one of his employees. What can I do to protect my business? Is this an insurance issue for Rick here?
Well, Rick, the first thing that you should do is make sure that you do not get rid of that piece of machinery because there is a potential product liability case there if that particular piece of machinery malfunctions. So you want to make sure that you want to save it. Now, what I would suggest that from a business perspective, you need to pick up the phone and call whoever is your legal counsel to make sure that you're doing everything possible to preserve that evidence in the event that that employee ultimately has a product liability suit.
And the flip side to that is there's also going to be some workers' compensation exposure because
Absolutely.
your employee was working during the time, course and scope of his business. So if that happens, you should have workers' comp insurance, notify your insurance company, get a claim opened, and then that employee, the good news for him is he'll be covered under his medical and his wages. He gets 66 2/3 of his wages, and you're protected from that end.
All right, for those that may have a question about getting hurt on the job and they need to contact you, what's the best way to do that?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Hotline is always open, too.
Oh, the hotline.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks.
We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to go to get your question featured here on The Law and You.